I've recently tried the Prequel Solar Shade Broad Spectrum SPF 46 PA+++, and it has quickly become a staple in my skincare routine. This lightweight sunscreen fluid provides excellent sun protection while also supporting my skin's moisture barrier, thanks to ingredients like rice phytomolecules, ethyl ferulate, and microalgae that enhance antioxidant protection. It applies beautifully, leaving a non-greasy, moisturizing finish that works well for all skin tones. I love that it's fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, and allergy tested, which makes it perfect for my sensitive skin. Even though it's safe for eczema-prone skin and dermatologist tested, I would recommend a patch test, especially if your eyes are sensitive to certain UV filters, as there's a chance it could cause irritation. One of my favorite things about this sunscreen is how it feels on the skin. It's incredibly lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving no residue or sticky feeling. I apply it as the last step in my morning skincare routine, making sure to put on a generous amount 15 minutes before heading out. Overall, Prequel Solar Shade is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for effective sun protection that's gentle on the skin,